But yeah, basically every soul gem, once you get a soul and use it, it gets destroyed, which is really annoying. The idea of this Daedric artifact is that it basically allows you to have a soul gem that can get any soul, and when you use the soul, it stays in your inventory still. You can, I mean, you still need to get another soul in it, but, you know, you don't have to constantly worry about getting more soul gems. Pretty good. Pretty good in that regard. About 5 seconds. Guess we'll see if 5 is more than enough. Yeah, there's things in the game called Daedric Shrines. They're basically, they're not hidden quests, but they're quests that you can get if you find the shrine. And the shrine basically either has a requirement or whatever, but it gives you something like special like that. Costs 117. I'm gonna probably have to go and make a few potions to actually regen or heal my magic, but that's fine. This should work. What else can I put in? Can't really put anything else. I could put telekinesis actually. This is gonna be a test one, but actually, no, let's not bother with that. I mean, you can combine. I mean, all of these are one spell, but I'm trying to do something else, but that's fine. We should be fine. Is there anything else